Today I'm going to talk about hair fibers. Now, Divine Aesthetics has launched its own brand of hair fibers. So, what are hair fibers? These are hair building fibers and these are made out of cotton. So, fine cotton is shredded and given a black or a dark brown or a light brown color. It is absolutely safe for use on the scalp. Now, what the fibers do is that in areas where there is thinning, where there is decrease in density, it is often difficult to do a hair transplant, and the use of fibers can increase that density within seconds. So what we do is first electrostatically charge the hair, because the fibers and the hair are opposite charged. So we rub that area where there is decreased density, and that tends to activate the hair and produces a charge. Then we sprinkle the fiber on top of the hair shaft. Because the charges are opposite, they attract each other. Then we pat down on the scalp to free the loose fibers. Now when we are sprinkling, some of the fiber will stick to the hair and some of the fiber will be loose and on the scalp. So when we pat down, most of the fiber which is loose on the scalp will get free and be swept off, and only the fiber which is stuck to the hair remains. And lastly, we comb, and that allows a uniform distribution of the hair fibers. Now, a lot of people assume that sprinkling a lot of fiber will give more density. It is not true, because the thickening occurs with the attachment of the fiber to the hair and not to the scalp. So the process of rubbing the hair and patting ensures that only the fiber sticks with the hair. Now, the second thing which a lot of people feel is that if they go out, the fiber will fall on their shirts. That does not happen if it is properly placed, because of the laws of physics, the laws of attraction, wherein the opposite charge will stick together. So we pat down, and when we comb, all the loose fiber is out, and it is only when we use a shampoo the next morning. Now, shampoos are surface active agents. They break bonds. So they break the bond between the hair fiber and the hair, and that is how the hair fiber will get loose. Now I'll show you a live demonstration of how a fiber is to be used. Now we see this area where there is good hair here and decrease in density here. So the first thing, we rub this area to electrostatically charge the hair fibers, the hair roots. Then we sprinkle the hair fiber. All the hair fiber gets stuck to the hair, and now you can't see any of the scalp at all. Then we just pat down, and all the loose fiber just flies away, and this is the end result. Now this appearance will remain till tomorrow or later, till he shampoos his head. And even if he goes out and if there's rainfall, the fiber will actually not get loose, because it is stuck to the hair shaft. Hair fibers are available either at our offices in Gurgaon and in South Extension, Delhi. They can also be ordered by giving us a phone call on 9811 994417. There are dark black and dark brown colors which are easily available.